Hi there, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Something big is stirring in Cardano land. While ADA has been battling through the tough bear market, it's also making exciting new progress too. The altcoin is constantly upgrading and providing a complete proof-of-stake network protocol to its users. The crypto coin's unique multi-layer architecture enables investors to gain real-world value along with other distinct benefits, and that's one reason why ADA is viewed by many enthusiasts and investors as a potential long-term investment. And now the biggest Cardano whales went ahead and did this. Keep watching to find out what exactly they did. It's big news. Today we're going to be talking about what the Cardano whales have done to affect the coin's price. Will this affect ADA in a positive way? Stick around until the end of the video as we cover all aspects of the crypto coin in detail. Before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new updates in the world of investing. The crypto market as a whole has been going up. Cardano ADA has currently been on an upward trend for the past day, hovering at around the 80-cent mark. That's placed the coin as the 7th largest coin in terms of market cap at the time of this recording. The first question you may have is, what or who exactly is a whale? Well, the answer is quite simple. They are millionaires and billionaires who invest large chunks of money into crypto coins like Cardano ADA. An investor who owns between 10 and 50 million is known as a whale. Now that you're all caught up, let's get into what the biggest Cardano whales have just done. The large investors appear to be aggressively picking up lots and lots of Cardano ADA tokens. That's because the programmable blockchain's decentralized finance protocols are witnessing rapid growth. This can have a positive price impact on ADA. Let's take a look at how much the whales are buying. Whales own 94% of all Cardano ADA in supply, and that is a lot. And it means they have a big say over what happens to the coin. Of those large investors, they've boosted their ADA holdings by more than 40% this year. Data from blockchain service tracker Whale Stats showed that a BNB whale scooped up more than 5 million ADA tokens. The tokens are worth more than $5 million at purchase time. The effect of these numerous upbeat events had a significant spike in ADA addresses. Market observers pointed out the 167% upsurge in ADA wallets created in the same period. The renewed interest in large investors may be a big sign of good times ahead, assuming the broader market finds its footing. The ongoing market activities suggest that ADA whales might be preparing for a more intense accumulation spree. Could these rich whales who are aggressively buying lots and lots of Cardano ADA know something that we don't? A lot of these extremely wealthy people know more about what's happening on the inside than we might ever know, and they have teams of experts helping them manage their billions of dollars worth of assets. So why are they deciding to buy Cardano? Could this be a huge opportunity for you to buy it as well? ADA whales could also be reaccumulating as a result of the recent improvements introduced in the mainnet. As News BTC reported, Cardano's developer IOG is focused on upgrading the network's scalability and throughput and recently implemented the first of 3 major updates for 2022. Whales are also investing in Cardano because it aims to solve the blockchain trilemma. The Cardano network offers the triple benefit of scalability, security, and decentralization, and perhaps no other ecosystem also offers these benefits. ADA's price may also benefit from this too. The biggest whales have been said to manipulate the market, and the effect it may have on the price of Cardano ADA could be a positive one. According to Cardano Feed, Cardano is predicted to rally as much as 30% in the coming days, as it appears to have formed a classic bullish reversal pattern. Now, what does this mean to the common crypto investor? Despite a turbulent 2021 for the whole industry, Cardano whales appear unmoved, retaining their belief that ADA will break out. So, why? Despite the market slowdown, Cardano's recent partnerships are focused on increasing financial accessibility in developing countries. The Cardano network's partnership with Oasis Pro supports governments in pooling inward remittances to fund large infrastructure projects. Cardano's partnerships are likely to boost the utility of ADA tokens and increase the real-world use cases for the altcoin. The blockchain platform Nervos Network has announced that its bridge connecting these assets on the blockchain to Ethereum, Cardano, and other networks is live. The Force Bridge supports the interchangeability of assets on Nervos across different blockchains, increasing accessibility. The development team behind Cardano is working on the next update. Cardano's ecosystem's new partnerships are likely to boost the utility for ADA. The developers are preparing for the new release, which includes integrations with the Cardano node and wallet, and a facility to unpair a hardware wallet. According to Lucas Otomoro, head of research at Into the Block, Cardano appears to be showing signs of promise for more to come after years without launching smart contracts. This appears to be translating into an accumulation of ADA from large players. The statement came out in a weekly report published on Friday. After years of lacking smart contract capabilities, Cardano is slowly starting to show some traction in its application layer. Otomoro noted, DEXs on Cardano have raised capital from reputable crypto funds, such as the Three Arrows Capital. Following a 70% correction, these addresses have now been accumulating aggressively. This group, as well as those holding over 100 million ADA, recorded double-digit growth month over month, Otomoro said. Last week, Cardano-based DEX ADA Swap announced a $2.6 million fundraise led by venture capital firm iAngels and several other investors, including actor and producer Gal Gadot and her husband, Jaron Varsano. One of the most exciting things about Cardano is that it's attracting new projects with its smart contract functionality. There are currently 127 projects that use Cardano's blockchain, and 20 to 30 are scheduled launches over the next 3 months of 2022. There is also the adoption of ADA by a mainstream financial institution like Vast Bank. Vast Bank is a trusted family-owned financial institution serving customers since 1982. The bank recently announced the rollout of its new crypto banking service. Available to US-based customers, Vast Bank has become the first in the country to offer customers the ability to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies alongside a traditional checking account. The Vast Bank crypto banking service is available via a user-friendly mobile application which simplifies the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies directly with bank accounts. Through the Vast Bank crypto banking application, customers are going to have the ability to purchase a range of cryptocurrencies, including ADA. That could be one of the reasons why Wall Street predicts that Cardano ADA is going to reach $10. The Vast Bank digital assets team will continuously evaluate new coins to add to the platform. The Vast Bank crypto banking service is powered by strategic partnerships with Coinbase and SAP, whose technical expertise across the entire spectrum of banking and cryptocurrencies provides a leading edge in offering one of the simplest and most trusted ways for consumers to access the more than $2 trillion cryptocurrency market. The adoption of Cardano ADA by a financial institution like Vast Bank can be seen as a first step towards a more mainstream adoption. What does this mean for the future of ADA? All the bullish activities might be positioning ADA for a feasible price breakout. Last week, ADA's value shot up by over 18%. The increased demand for the asset is expected to result in its price taking a major upclimb. There is a warning, however. The bullish momentum might also be lost at the next critical resistance. But there's more good news for Cardano. The US Treasury recently announced proposed changes to the cryptocurrency reporting as part of President Joe Biden's proposed American Families Plan. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen believes that there is not yet an adequate framework for tackling cryptocurrency regulation in the US. However, it is a topic worth addressing. The Treasury also reported that despite constituting a relatively small proportion of business income today, cryptocurrency transactions are likely to rise in importance in the next decade. The Federal Reserve too seems to have backed Cardano ADA with its proposed approval by 2022. According to a recent press release, the Federal Reserve banks will adopt the ISO 20022 message format for the Fedwire Funds service. The Fedwire Funds service is a real-time gross settlement system owned and operated by Federal Reserve banks. It enables businesses and financial institutions to transfer funds quickly and securely. The keywords here are transfer funds quickly and securely. This is something that is right up Cardano ADA's alley. When you have a repeated institution like the US Treasury predicting a positive future for cryptocurrencies, Cardano ADA could benefit immensely from this backing. This is why the biggest Cardano whales just scooped millions for ADA tokens. That's it for today, guys. We hope you liked the video, and while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.